Hi. 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 Hey. Live streaming and like 15 people want to know how to live stream. So, yes, if you want to see it, that's what it's called. Will be stopped soon. So what you gotta do is click on that and hit Creator Studio. What did I just... Oh, I just lost some stuff. I'll get that back. We go to... You hit live streaming right there. And you hit events. New live event. You hit H. And then that pops up. You can name it whatever you want. And there's this. And call. And wait, let's see. Am I still streaming? And then go live now. You see there's this. And you hit start broadcast. Yes, this is also going to be up. And it's now live. I know there's no camera. But then you don't want to close that. And then we'll go back to my channel. Let's go up. In H. He's not watching. But I'm going to... Yes, that's also, but I'm not going to be at it. So, that's it, guys. Hope you subscribe, and I'll see you later.